Today, me I go read from Luke 12:16 to 21. I want parable about one rich man. And Jesus tell them that story. Yeah. One rich man did have one farm where bear whole heap of food. So the rich man said to himself, say, what me fi do? Me no have no place for keep all of them sitting here. Then him say, me know what me I go do. Me I go tear down my storehouse them and build some bigger one. And me I go keep me grain and all what me own in a them. And me I go say to myself, say, Master, you're one lucky man. You have enough sitting and them are going to last you for one long, long time. Take life easy. Nyam. Drink. And make merry. But God tell him, say, you fool. Tonight you are go dead. Who are go get what you put up for yourself? This is what happen to anybody where save up for themselves. The sitting them where they on earth, but not rich in the sitting them where God care about. A God what this. Thank God.